Okay, so I started recording. This is the chapter of P2 we are doing. Somebody give wait. Okay, so this is the chapter we guys are doing. Now, this is something we are supposed to know. We are supposed to know how to find midpoints between two coordinates. Okay. So the formula to find midpoints, this has already been covered in our O-level lessons. Okay, the formula to find the midpoint between 2 points is this. Look, it's written over here. X2 plus x1 divided by 2 and y2 plus y1 divided by 2, or y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now, let's start doing this one now. Come over here. Okay, like check. So they give you a diameter. Line AB, segment AB is a diameter of a circle where A and B are -3, 8 and 5, 4 respectively. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle. Find the coordinates of the center of the circle. Now, if you guys know that if you have a diameter in a circle, okay, the half of the diameter is the center, right? Everybody knows this, na? So if you want to find this midpoint of the diameter is the center, na? If you want to find the midpoint, all you need to know the coordinates of 2 points over here, and you have to just add both of their x coordinates divided by 2, add both of their y coordinates divided by 2. So now this example 1 has been given to you over here, and they said us to find the center, and the diameter coordinates are given to you, -3, 8 and 5, 4. So therefore, you have to write -3 plus 5 divided by 2, 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Understood? Everyone? -3 plus 5 divided by 2, 8 plus 4 divided by 2. Understood, everyone? Hello? Yeah. Fine then. Okay. Yeah. Now let's talk about example 2 over here. So in this case, the line segment PQ is a diameter. So P and Q is diameter. Center has been given to you. And P has been given to you. Yeah. Is Muntasir here, by the way? Let's pause the recording. Fine then. So they gave us 2 points over here of the diameter, but they also gave us the center. The center is given to us. Not just say this is my center. So can we do one x coordinate and another x coordinate? I don't know. Divide by 2 is equal to the x coordinate of our midpoint. So what will that be? 8 plus a is equal to 4. So a is equal to -4 if I'm not wrong. Correct? All of you got that point? Example 2, everyone got it? Guys?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. Now let's go to the second one. In second one, what happens? Let's see. Can we do 8 plus, sorry, not 8. It should be -5 -2 divided by 2. No, sorry. -5 plus b. It should be ab, na? -5 plus b divided by 2. What's your center? Center is -2, right? Okay, so -5 plus b is equal to -4. B is equal to -4 plus 5 is equal to 1. You got this? Understood? Guys, you guys got this?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one now. Nabil is here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, where is Muntasir? Nabil, do you have any idea where is Muntasir? Mehak, camera on karo. Suji, camera on. Mariam, kire, camera on karo shabai. Okay, now let's go to the next question over here. Yeah, let's talk about the midpoint concept. Okay, perpendicular bisector. Okay, now what is the meaning of perpendicular bisector? Okay, let me teach you guys these new concept. Okay, so all of you know that if you have a circle, this is a tangent. Everybody knows that, na? And if you have a line from the center, if a radius is always perpendicular with the tangent, you guys are supposed to know this. Radius or diameter, any one of them is always perpendicular to the tangent. If you guys want to write it down, you guys can write it down too. Okay, now the next thing you guys are supposed to know is that if you have a chord, if this is a chord, right? This is a tangent and this is a chord. I hope all of you know which is the chord and which is the tangent. This is a tangent and this is a chord. Understood? Okay, so a radius will always also be perpendicular to the chord and it will also bisect the chord. Bisect the chord means the left hand side of the chord will be equal to the right hand side of the chord. Meaning it will divide the line into half. All of you understood that part? Everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, another thing you guys are supposed to know, if you draw a radius over there also, let me change the color. Okay, this both the radius will be equal to each other. This both the radius will be equal to each other. And this angle here, radius is anywhere equal to each other. That's what you should know. This angle and this angle will be same. এটা মনে রাখো ঠিক আছে বুঝছো তুমি তোমরা সবাই the angles are also supposed to be same. It's going to be an isosceles triangle. Achha, whatever. Now, so they gave me a line AB. So this is a bisector. Line AB is cutting. This line L is cutting AB in half because let's face it, AB is also like a chord only, and this is a diameter. This whole thing is a diameter, or it is passing through center. So anything that is passing through center will divide this into two. So basically, and this part is perpendicular. If you don't know, this part is perpendicular. So they wrote that the line L passes through C, okay, and is perpendicular to AB. Find the equation of line L. Now I'm pretty sure all of you can do this. How? First of all, find the midpoint because we need a coordinate. I told you, what are the two things you need to find an equation of a line? You need a gradient and you need a coordinate. Coordinate you can find. Coordinate is the midpoint of 5,2 and -1,4. You can find that. Gradient also you can find very easily. How? Find the gradient of AB. How? By y minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then find the gradient of L. How? M1 into M2 is equal to -1. Why? Which formula? This formula over here. Because they both are perpendicular to each other. I think without my help, you guys can do this on your own. Can you please do this on your own and let me know? I'm pausing the video. So now we know this is our circle. We know their coordinates. These are the two A and B has been given to me. Okay. So this is -1,4 and this is 5,2. Right, and L has been passed and you see they know L is perpendicular to my AB, right? First thing first, I need to find my center. So how will I find the center? Because the center passes through line L, I need one coordinate that passes through line L and I need gradient. The coordinate which passes through line L is only this part. Fine, let's find that center. Can I do -1 plus 5 divided by 2 and comma, can I do 4 plus 2 divided by 2? Okay, so add both of them. It's going to be 4 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. 2 to the 4. 3. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you got the center. Now you need to find the gradient. Let's find the gradient. But right now the gradient which I'm going to find is of AB. Yeah. So gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it's going to be -2 divided by 6. So answer is -1 by 3. Is this correct, by the way? 2 minus 4 minus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 to the 6. Correct. But this is the gradient of whom? AB. I need to find gradient of what? L. I need to find gradient of L. So if I want to find the gradient of L, can I do M1 into M2 is equal to -1? Okay. Minus M2 is equal to -3. Minus cancel. So M2 is equal to 3. So we got a gradient, we got a coordinate. Once I got my gradient and once I got my coordinate, can I do y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1? Okay. So y minus y1, what is my y1? 3. Y minus 3 is equal to gradient, that is 3. X minus x1, that is 2. Okay. Open the brackets and get your equations. I just want all of you to keep your camera on. Come on, guys. কতবার বলতে হয় তোমাদেরকে একটা জিনিস? 3x minus 6 plus 3. 3x minus 3 is my answer. Is it 3x minus 3? Let's check the mark scheme. It is 3x minus 3. So everything is done in this one. Let's go to the next question now. Okay, so this basic thing is done with us now. Okay, I will not do any practice. I'm just doing examples over here. Now, next thing you guys are supposed to learn this equation. Next thing is you guys are supposed to learn this equation. What are you supposed to do here? Let me show you one. So remember, if you have a circle, okay, like for a straight line, we have an equation, right? For a straight line, we have equations, right? So for a circle also, we have standard equations. So the equation looks like this. For example, if it is a comma b, your in equation it's going to be minus a minus comma b. So remember, your center will always be ulta of the sign that is given over here. That is a hint you guys are supposed to know. I hope all of you are getting this. Like for example, let me show you. So instead of a comma b, I gave 3 comma 2, for example. No, let's say I gave 3 comma minus 2. Okay, so this is how you write the equation, by the way. X minus 3 square plus y plus 2 whole square. Remember that. It's always ulta. And radius এর উপরে একটা square থাকতেই হবে কেন that I'm going to say later on, but this is the equation of a circle. Just like equation of a straight line, we have equation of straight line. What is it? Y is equal to mx plus c, right? Same thing, I have an equation of a circle as well, which is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to radius square. Acha, all of you understood till here? Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fine then. Now they gave us this thing over here. Actually, let me pause the recording a bit. I have some work. So I'm supposed to do this question with you all. I'm supposed to do this question, example number 4. Now write down the equation of the circle with center 5,7 and radius 4. Find that. Now always draw a diagram. Always. So you have this, and this is 5,7, and the radius is around 4. Radius is around 4. Now, so what was the equation? X minus a. Remember, I told you if it's a positive here, it's going to be negative here on the equation, plus y minus b whole square is equal to radius square. Remember that you have to give a square. This is how equation of a circle looks like. All of you understood this part? Everyone?
Yeah.
Fine. Now let's go to the next question. If you take the next question, let's check. Okay, a circle has equation x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 20, right? So now you have x minus 3. Okay, write down the equation of the center. Now center is going to be ulta. What is it? এখানে minus 3 দিলে তুমি x coordinate দিবে 3, আর এখানে 4 দিলে তুমি x y coordinate you guys going to give 4. So this is your center coordinate. ঠিক আছে? And can you see there is no square given over here? Usually there is a square given. If no square is given, then your radius becomes root of that answer, root of 20. That is going to be 4 5s, and 4 comes outside, it's going to be 2 root 5. Everybody got this part as well?
Radius part of Babuja?
Radius part. If they gave you an equation, always take the ulta value, opposite value. Like if it is plus there, in your equation it has to be minus. So if it is minus, look, this is minus. That means in your coordinate it is going to be plus. Here it is plus 4. It's going to be minus 4. So that's how you write the center, by seeing the equation. The equation has been given to you here. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So
The
now
radius part.
the radius part. Okay, the radius part. I'm doing radius part. Now, usually in the top of radius, there is supposed to be a square. We always write it like this, but there is no square here. Since there is no square here, we are going to write it as root of 20 as your radius. Understood? And root of 20 is 2 root 5. If you put that in your calculator, you will know. Understood?
Okay, yeah.
Fine then. Everybody got this?
Yeah.
Fine then.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, let's continue now. Yeah, they said show that the circle passes through, the circle is passing through 5 comma minus 8. So I have to show that this circle is passing through 5 comma minus 8. For example, this is Is it passing through 5 comma minus 8 or is it not passing through 5 comma minus 8? Very easy to do. Very easy to do. All you have to do, তোমাকে x এর জায়গায় 5 দিতে হবে, y এর জায়গায় -8 দিতে হবে. You should get your left hand side should be equal to your right hand side. Then you know it is passing through. Like for example, তুমি x এর জায়গায় 5 দাও এখানে. Do one thing. x এর জায়গায় তুমি যদি 5 দাও, can you do 5 minus 3 whole square y plus 4 whole square is equal to 20. What is 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus এটাকে যেভাবে সেভাবে রাখো, no need to open this. Okay, bring this on the other side. You will get 16. Y plus 4 whole square is equal to 16. Now what is root of 16? Root of 16 is plus minus. Root of 16 is plus minus 4. Okay, so y plus 4 is equal to plus 4. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 because root of 16 is plus minus 4. So y is equal to 0. Another one is y is equal to minus 8. Can you see? যখন আমি x value 5 দিছি, আমার answer minus 8 আসছে. So perfect. Now that's what they said. Show that 5 comma minus 8 is the circle is passing through. Yes, it is passing through. Understood? Because তুমি যখন 5 দিছো, তোমার answer minus 8 আসছে. Understood everyone?
It is written 60.
I'll tell you. Okay, so you guys all understood that if you substitute 5 and if you get your answer minus 8, money, it is passing through. Fine then. Now let's continue. Okay, let's continue with this one. This question, step by step, everyone. Let me put some more pages over here. 2, 3, 4. Fine. Now, okay. How much it came total? How much it came total?
30.5375.
Less than before, no? Before it was 35 or something.
No, last month it was 21.
Aha. Okay.
Because last month we didn't do much better.
Okay. Now the line segment AB is a diameter of a circle. So we are going to draw a diameter of a circle. Okay. And we have AB. So let's draw an AB. Fine. Okay. Respectively, find the equation of the circle. Okay. To find the equation of a circle, I need the center. Okay. So this is 4,7 and this is -8,3. So first thing first, I need to find is the midpoint. You know midpoint is the center, right? So if you're finding the midpoint, it's 4 plus of -8 divided by 2, comma 7 plus 3 divided by 2. So 4 minus 8 is -4 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2. It's -2 and it is 5. Okay, center. Is this clear? Center? Now I need center. I also need radius because if you remember the equation of a circle, you need center, you also need radius. Now, what is radius? Radius is the distance between 2 points. And we know how to find distance between 2 points. It's root of x2 plus x1 whole square plus y2 plus y1 whole square. This we did in our previous class of P1. Remember how to find distance between 2 points, guys? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then,
It is x2 minus x1, right?
no, not that is for gradient. It is x2 minus x1 for gradient. This is distance.
You check the distance formula.
Okay, let me check. Wait, let me pause the recording. Okay, so yeah, Mac, it was Mac now who said this. Okay, yeah. So I made a mistake. It's not x2 plus x1. It is x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 whole square to find the distance between 2 points. Okay, so I know my center. What is the center? -2, 5. I know the center. So I'm supposed to find the distance between the radius. This is my radius. So what should it be? x2 minus x1. Can I do -8 minus of 2 minus 2 whole square? Okay, plus y2 minus y1. 3 minus 5 whole square. Do this in your calculator. Check how much you guys are getting. -8 plus 2, that is -6. -6 whole square plus -2 whole square. It's 36 plus 4. That is root of 40. Is this clear, everyone? Root of 40?
Yeah.
So 4 into 10, and that's going to be 2 root 10 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2 root 10. Fine then. Now, so there is your radius. You got your center, you got your radius. Now find the equation of the line. How do you find the equation of the line? X minus or plus will depend on this, x plus 2. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 5, because your 5 is positive there, it shall have minus here, is equal to radius square, 2 root 10 whole square. That's your equation of the line. Is this understood, everyone?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Let's continue
Yeah.
then. Let's continue. 5 comma minus 8. Okay. Is it this 2 root 10? Yeah. Fine. Fine then. Okay. So now let's continue with next questions. This I'm going to ignore. Now I'm going to do these kind of questions. It is example number 7. They give you a question. They give you a question, but they don't make it obvious for you. Like for example, this equation. It looks nothing like our equation of the circle, right? Okay, it looks nothing like that. But actually, if you open x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. If you guys open this, you will end up getting something like this only. So our job is to make sure to make this one look like this. Okay, how? By something known as completing the square method. Now here everybody must have done completing the square method either in their P1 or in their O levels. Who joined me late? Pretty sure you guys did your completing the square method in your O levels. Okay, so let me try doing that over here. Okay, so can I do x square? Now bring all your x together and bring all your y together. Okay, am I correct? Am I correct? Minus 4. Yes, perfect. Minus 12 equals to 0. Find them. Now, what do? You do completing the square method of this. You do completing the square method of this. Leave 12 alone. How would you do it? Can you do x minus 7 whole square? Because you know 14 divided by 2 is 7. Minus 7 whole square plus y plus 8 whole square minus 8 whole square. Actually, connect to minus d. My bad. Minus 12 equals to 0. Now, everybody here online, a line ta butso kina bolo. Everybody. Guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone. I want
Yeah.
confirmation from everyone.
Yeah.
Literally. KK join could say later. Bibi Asha.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nafisa, you got this? Mehek, Nafisa, you got this? Nafisa, you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine then. Now, what do? I keep x minus 7 as it is. Let me open this. 7 square is 49, positive 49. Plus, let me keep y plus 8 whole square as it is. And 8 8s are 64. Right there. Minus 12 equals to 0. Tumra minus 49, minus 64, minus 12 ko to check karo. Minus 49, minus 64, minus 12. Okay, so minus 125. So you have x minus 7 whole square plus y plus 8 whole square equals to 125. Now, what do? Root of 125. Root of 125 is going to be 5 root 5. So x minus 7 whole square, y plus 8 whole square. It is root karo because I told you to root them. It's going to be 5 root 5 whole square. এভাবে লিখতে হবে। কেউ যদি তোমাকে সেন্টার জিজ্ঞেস করে, তুমি লিখবে center equals to 7 comma minus 8 ulta. And কেউ যদি তোমাকে radius জিজ্ঞেস করে, if they ask you radius, it's 5 root 5. Is this clear? I want you guys to do this on your own right now, like the whole thing. Remember, sometimes they give you a question like this and they want center and radius from this question itself. So try practicing this on your own step by step. Okay, I'm pausing the recording. So you guys were able to understand this. You guys did this on your own. Then I give you guys a next question to do.
Yes.
Example 8, and I'm recording actually. So you guys were able to do this also. So those who are online should practice this, and you should get center to be 2,0 and your radius to be around what was it? Root of 15 if I'm not wrong. Okay, fine. Let's continue now. Okay, so you guys know about tangent, you guys know about chords, and you can see in chords, I already explained you guys regarding chords. You can see in chords there are 2 points of intersections over here. So the one is this and one is this. And tangent, there is 1 point of intersection. Okay, and here no point of intersection. Fine, these are the things I already told you. A straight line can intersect a circle once by just touching the circle, that is tangent. Twice, not all straight line will intersect to a given circle. Fine. Now find the coordinates. What they wrote, example 8. Okay, they said find the coordinates of the points where the line y is equal to x plus 5 meets the circle x square so and so 29. Now if you know, if it is a point of intersection, it's a simultaneous equation, right? Example, this example, if it is a point of intersection, okay, so it is intersecting in either 1 point or 2 point, I don't know where. So all you're supposed to do is this. Can you see y is equal to x plus 5 here? Just substitute that in place of y, open the brackets and try to find the x value and y value. That's what you want to do over here, to find the point coordinates. Find the coordinates of the point where line so and so meets the circle. Money, we have to find the point of intersection by substitution method. I'll pause the video. Try doing it on your own. Resume recording. So now look here, y is equal to x plus 5 is there. Okay, so just can I substitute x square at jagai? In place of y, can I write x plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to 29. You have x square plus, what is 5 minus 2 is 3. X plus 3 whole square is equal to 29. X square plus x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 29. Is it clear, everyone? When I open the brackets, everyone. Now you have 2x square plus 6x minus 20, if I'm not wrong. If you bring this 29 here, it is going to be minus 20. Yeah. Now put this, you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, x square plus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0.
Okay, got it.
Got it? So just put this in your calculator, check how much you guys are getting. What is the value of x you guys are getting? Tell me that. And if you want, you can do completing the square. Sorry, if you want, you can do your product and sum rule here. Or if you want, you can do minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Any one of them. I don't mind which one you do.
Quadratic.
Yeah, it's a quadratic equation. Yes, it's a quadratic equation. What is the
2 and
value?
minus 5.
You guys are getting 2 and minus 5. Now, put this 2 or minus 5 in your main equation. Let it be this. Again, 2 thou. 2 plus 5 আসবে 7. Okay, so 2 comma 7. And যদি তুমি minus 5 thou, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So all of you understood this as well. Fine. So we got that? Yeah, we got that. Now, okay, now we have to show that so and so does not meet the circle. Just like before only I have to do it. Just like the way I did just now, I have to do it here also. But your answer will come no solution. Or your b square minus 4ac will be less than 0. Some of you new students won't know this. So most probably I will not follow this method over here. আমি method to follow করব না. So what I'm going to do, let me show you. Let us do just like the way we did before. আমি কি করব, x plus 2 whole square লিখব আর ওখানে y in place of y I'm going to substitute x minus 7 because y is x minus 7. So I'm going to substitute x minus 7 whole square is equal to 33. Okay. Now anything else? Yeah, you know what? Let me open the brackets. I have x square plus 4x plus 4 plus x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 33. Okay, so you have 2x square here. You have minus 10x here. Why 4x or minus 14x is minus 10x. 4 or 49 hobe 53 if I'm not wrong. So you will have plus 53 minus 33. Now, just let me know whether these things are correct or not. Just let me know. I did it very quickly, so I don't know. Can you guys recheck this for me? I'll pause the video, do it on your own and see whether you guys are getting exactly the same I got or not. Okay, just try it. Okay, I'm pausing the recording. So since all of you got the same concept, let me keep on going right now. So I will get what, 2x square minus 10x, 53 minus 33, that is how much? 53 minus 33, 20. So that is plus 20 right there. Now can you guys try to do this? Minus b plus minus jodi tumi karo, 2k jodi common now, x square minus 5, 5x plus 10, right? Is okay. So ultimately this is your quadratic equation. Now can you guys try to solve this? এটাকে তোমরা solve করার চেষ্টা করো। minus b এর জন্য তুমি minus of minus b plus minus root of b square, okay, minus 4 into a into c, ঠিক আছে? Now divide by 2a. If you do 2a here, 2 into 1, so this is going to be plus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25 minus 40 divided by 2. Clear? Till here, is it clear or not? Bolo.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you try to solve this, I'm pretty sure it's no solution. Clear? Check karo calculator. Tumi math, tumar math error ashbe. Check karo.
Yeah, math error.
Math error. So therefore, no solution. Therefore, it does not intersect. They do not meet the circle. Clear?
Yes.
NBO में किया अभी. NBO तो already is going on. Without card, you can take the money out. They will send you a security code in your mobile itself. You have to just enter that. Okay, fine then. Acha, ora onno method course, but this method most of the student doesn't know. Like new students doesn't know right now who joined. But those who did b square minus 4ac with me, they will understand. P1 jara course আমার সাথে আর কি. Okay, so we are done with this concept as well. Okay, for next time. Okay, I already taught you guys these things: perpendicular, bisector, radius, everything is taught to you all. Okay, this now let us start doing these questions now. Example number 10. Okay, if I do example number 10 now, this chapter I have to keep on doing for some time before I can make up my mind. Okay, now the circle, they gave us the circle equation. Now look at the circle equation. They said verify that the point P10, 0 is lying on C. Fine. Okay. Now all you have to do, in your X, you have to just put 10 and your Y, you have to put 0. You should get 100 as well because left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is also one way to verify it. Okay. Whether this particular point is within the circle or not. For example, this is 10, 0. Is it within the circle or is it outside the circle? Because if I substitute my 10 and 0, my left hand side should not be equal to right hand side if it is outside the circle. If it is within the circle, then the 10, 0, the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. So 10 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 6, this is a part, okay, whole square is equal to 100. 10 minus 2 is what? 8 square plus 36. Okay, so 64 plus 36 koto 100 na. Check 100 and 100, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is this clear, everyone? A part?
Yes.
Okay, now they are asking us, is this clear, everyone? Yeah, kichu bolso online, everyone clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about B part. Now let's talk about B part. They said find the equation of a tangent which at point 10, 0. So I have a tangent which is at a point 10, 0. Now you know a tangent is always perpendicular to my radius. So you know the center. You know the center. What is the center? Center is we know the equation. Yes, center is 2, 6. Center is 2, 6. Okay, so they want me to find the equation. Okay, so if I know the gradient of this one, I can find the gradient of this one. Why? Because tangent and gradient, a radius or gradient is, radius is what? They both are tangent and radius. They both are what? Perpendicular to each other. So let me find their gradient. How will I find the gradient? B part. Can I do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so what is it? 0 minus 6 divided by 10 minus 2. So minus 6 divided by 8. Okay, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. So minus 3 by 4. Is it clear? This is the gradient of radius. This is the gradient of radius. Yeah. Now, once I got the radius gradient, I can find the radius of the red line, the tangent line. What is it? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So this gets cancelled. So what is the gradient of your tangent? Gradient of the tangent is 4 by 3. You have the gradient of the tangent. You also know at what point it passes through. It passes through 2, 6. All you have to do, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So y minus y1, what is it? 6. M is 4 by 3. What is it? X minus x1. What is x1? 2. Okay? Bring the 3 over here. Bring the 3 over here and write 3 y minus 6 is equal to 4 x minus 2. Put this in your calculator. No, sorry, don't need to put 18 4x minus 8. So 3y is equal to 4x minus 8 plus 18. What is it? Check. Minus 10 if I'm not wrong. No, plus 10. 3y is equal to 4x plus 10. They said us to give the answer in terms of ax plus by plus c. So it has to be 3y minus 4x minus 10 equals to 0. Let's see if that's the answer or not. Yes, 4x minus 3y minus 40. 4x minus 3y. There is some mistake. Something with the 40 thingy. Okay, some mistake I made. Let me check my answer. Okay, double check. Okay, I'll pause the recording. I got my mistake. Silly me. I'm supposed to take the coordinate of the tangent. I took the coordinate of the radius. That's very wrong. Instead of taking 2, 6, I'm supposed to take 10, 0. So I need to rub everything. 10, 0. This is, sorry. Yeah. 10, 0. 10, 0. Okay. Fine. Okay. So 10, 0 if I'm taking 0, 10. So 0, 0, 10, 40, 40, 40, bring it over here, plus 40. Okay. So pretty sure this is correct answer. Everyone understood this concept, na? And the mistake I made over here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine then. Good. Very good. Now comes we are going deeper and deeper into the sums. You see how big each sums become now. Okay. So now we are in the 7 to 8 marks territory most probably. Let me see how much is left, by the way. Okay, hypotenuse is there. We are almost at the brink of finishing the chapter. Maybe by today I'm going to be done with this chapter. Let's see. Okay, so now let's go to this question. From now on, example number 11, okay, from P2 book, page number, what is the page number? 36. Now on, we are on a territory where we are supposed to draw diagrams. Without drawing diagram, no way you can do this sums nowadays. Now, okay, so how do you do it? Let me just open some page. Okay, fine. Let's read this question. So a circle has an equation so and so. The line L is a tangent. Oh, here I don't have to draw the line. Find the two possible equations of line L, giving your answer to this thing. Two possible equations of line L. Fine. There is a line L is a tangent to the circle. Okay, no problem. Let me draw this one for you without seeing the diagram of this. So you have the circle and the center is ulta of the equation. I told you that, na? Opposite of equation. So it's going to be 5, minus 3. And they said there is a line which is tangent to L. So this is the L, for example, line L1. There can be another line as well, to be honest. Yeah, of course it can be because of mirror image. Yeah, You can say I can give another line here also, na? You see, they both are parallel to each other. You guys saw? All of you? This both the lines are parallel to each other. Hello. So therefore,
Yeah.
they both can have a gradient of -3. Understood? Okay. Find the two possible equations for L. Okay, let's see now. Now, all I have to do is we know their gradients. Just want to know whether on which one will they get perpendicular to. Most probably that is the case. Okay. Let me check. What are we supposed to do? I have gradient. I don't have any coordinate with that line. So they both are intersecting. Y is equal to mx plus c. Let me think about it. Okay, wait. So I was able to figure it out. Actually, you are supposed to find the equation of this line, which passes through 5, -3. Okay. Then you have to find the equation of the red line. And it is intersecting at this point and this point. So I will get these 2 points very easily. Okay. First of all, I need to find the equation of the red line, which is passing through the center. And it is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So how would you do it? We have the gradient. Gradient. What is the gradient of the red line? Gradient of the red line is, okay, gradient of the red line is 3 minus 3 into m2 is equal to -1. -1 divided by -3. So this is the gradient of the red line. Can you see that? -1/3. Sorry, +1/3. Find the equation of this line now. How do you find equation of this line? Y minus y1 is equal to m, which is 1/3. Okay. X minus x1. What's your x1 over here? 5. Okay. Put this on the other side. Keep away to me. Sorry, keep it like that only actually. Keep it like that. Y plus 3 is equal to 1/3x minus 5/3. So this is your equation. Go this on the other side. -5/3 -3 কত চেক করো তো তোমরা সবাই -5/3 -3 -14/3 -14/3 ঠিক আছে সবাই বুঝছো এটা so this is the equation of the red line now you know this is the point at which the circle and the red line is intersecting with each other. Everybody got that point? These 2 points, this point and this point, the red line and the circle intersecting. So if the red line and the circle is intersecting, you are supposed to substitute this equation in the y value over here and get an answer. It's very complex actually. Okay, I want you guys to do this right now. Okay, just substitute 1/3x minus 14/3 over here in this y coordinates. Clear? Try doing it. I'm pausing the video. Okay, so you guys were able to do this and you guys were trying this. I'll continue this in next part. Okay, I think where is the next class? We are going to do Saturday, right? Yes, Saturday I'm going to Saturday I won't do this. Saturday I will be doing P1. I think this I will take over again next Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, so now homework. Let me give you guys some homework. Please write down the homework, everyone. Okay, exercise 2D লেখো, exercise 2D লেখো সবাই, exercise 2D. Okay, question number 3, exercise 2D, question number 3, question number 10 11 12 করিও. Exercise 2D, question number 9 10 11 12. Exercise 2D 9 10 11 12 লেখো আবার, exercise 2D 9 10 11 12. ঠিক আছে সবাই বুঝছো? Okay, so I'm ending the class. Exercise 2D P2 9 10 11 12. Most probably I might not continue 8 to 10 class. I'll let you guys know by 8 10. Okay, then tata everyone.